Welcome to Passive Profit Plan. Today's video is about harnessing the power of influencer marketing in affiliate marketing. In today's digital landscape, influencer marketing has become a potent tool for affiliate marketers looking to expand their reach and drive conversions. In this video, we'll explore the world of influencer marketing and how you can leverage it effectively in your affiliate marketing strategy. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Identify the right influencers. The success of your influencer marketing campaign depends on selecting influencers whose values, niche, and audience align with your affiliate products or services. Research potential influencers thoroughly. Analyze their content, engagement rate, and authenticity. Look for influencers who have a genuine connection with their followers and a track record of promoting products effectively. Tip number 2. Build genuine relationships. Effective influencer marketing is built on trust and authenticity. Instead of treating influencers as mere marketing tools, focus on building genuine and long-term relationships. Reach out to influencers personally, share your affiliate products or services, and explain how they align with their content and audience. Collaborate on content ideas together, and ensure that the influencer's voice and style are preserved in their promotions. Tip number 3. Set clear objectives. Before launching an influencer marketing campaign, define your goals and objectives. Are you looking to drive website traffic, boost sales, increase brand awareness, or something else? Communicate these objectives to the influencers you're working with. Having a shared understanding of your goals will help influencers create content that aligns with your affiliate marketing strategy. Tip number 4. Provide creative freedom. Influencers have built their audiences by staying true to their unique style and voice. To harness their full potential, give influencers creative freedom when promoting your affiliate products. Offer guidelines, but avoid being too prescriptive. Let influencers tailor their content to resonate with their followers naturally. Authenticity is key to influencer marketing success. Tip number 5. Track and measure results. Use tracking links and analytics tools to monitor the performance of your influencer marketing campaigns. Measure key metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and return on investment. This data will help you assess the effectiveness of each influencer and campaign. You can then refine your approach and allocate resources to the most successful influencers. Tip number 6. Disclose partnerships transparently. Ethical and transparent marketing is essential in influencer marketing. Ensure that influencers clearly disclose their partnership with your brand when promoting affiliate products. This builds trust with their audience and complies with advertising regulations. Encourage influencers to use hashtags like #ad or #sponsor to indicate a paid partnership. In conclusion, influencer marketing can be a powerful asset in your affiliate marketing strategy when done right. By identifying the right influencers, building genuine relationships, setting clear objectives, providing creative freedom, tracking and measuring results, and ensuring transparent disclosure, you can harness the full power of influencer marketing to drive conversions and expand your affiliate marketing reach. If you want to start making awesome videos like this one just by adding text and generating fully customized videos with a few clicks of a button, there is a link in the description to join Pictory so you can start creating awesome videos instantly with a free trial. Thanks for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in your affiliate marketing journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others.